Usually, nga oras, alas 4:30. Amang dating Marata. Siya nito na abrehan kita dito mga inaabrehan ta. I-document ko lang ni kay amo na Friday na March 2021 kada adlaw MWF bubuhat hamay ning lang sa kita MWF diri Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday kay itong Wednesday naman itong kuan yara itong PE uniform last nira yan mga adlaw itong kuan yara klase pero ito nag-aabring TV kuan ano international ito nababar ito mga current events sa Langyaw. Tutulutong terminal channel at ginti kita CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera usually Ukraine manha Israel ito nilong i-region feature mga giyera yan maagi ito nito maagi nga truck garbage collector mimtinin namin tapbili routine orang Rasin ko na.
with friends and colleagues. This is a minister, by the way, who's been very critical of the Trump administration's attitude towards scientific research, urging American scientists
Ito na,
to
nakabati.
Tonight there is about the particular
Na, ginantrak.
It's so bizarre, you know,
Tapos nakaligo. Antes kita kumaon. Nakusubot kita. Kita ni Patwa. Pero, kaigo. Bato ka lang makaigo. 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 Mamaho ka niyan.
and our entire way that we operate and everything else for oh my God. And the only thing I will say is that those things are a lot of times people say, oh, all the antigens. No, actually, now it's, and you wonder, is this a 20-year, you know, as we have sort of embraced decorum online, Jonah, when you heard that angry, presumably Democratic constituent say that,
Ano, may klase ba kayo? Ha? May da.
it's not, you know, inactive about whatever.
Tara. Nak. Mas parang
Very politically engaged. When you're very politically engaged, they're going to these things. But I get to see whether it's active. It doesn't seem like we're professionally as a whole. I'm waiting for it to get a little more aware. In terms of what, you know,
our daily routine. Last year yan ang examen. Paya ha. Importante di rin magpaka. Di rin maglanay ha. Bahala na tinta maglanay. Ay mansur din eh. Ma'am naglanay ng tinta. Laps. examen niya na. Last nira ang examen. Kaya kung rin nira, kung may dato klase kakulo, edi rin nira kuno klase. Takay kayo rin man magklase kakulo, kaya nag-inuran. Back to work na kayo. May ada na kuhan. School service. Amo ito na akong pili. Like, pero di rin kompleto. Okay? Okay. Good.